Good morning, everyone. Just thought to do this quick video. This might be very useful to a lot of you who run your own workshops, classes, online, etc. You might have seen last week or the last few days that I've shared a post on feedback forms that you are able to create with Google Forms. This is just an example of one that I have created for online live business training, trainings with CCJM. And the great thing about those forms is not only does it look amazing, professional, and it's easy to create and for the users, so your attendees, your clients to complete. It's really straightforward. It doesn't take much time. And it also is a great way for you to collect the information. So Google will gather the information and it gives you the option to download the responses. So it gives you in the tool options, you can see download responses into a CSV file, and it will gather all the information. Let me show you quickly. In a format that is really easy for you to collate and put together figures. So really an amazing tool here from Google. I always say how amazing all the features are, and you can find this when you go to your features. You go up here and you go all the way down to forms. So it's really simple to create those forms. And here is one I created earlier. Over to you. Great way to get feedback for your trainings, for your workshops, for your classes, and to improve them. Remember, you only can grow your business by getting feedback from your clients, from your students, your attendees. Over to you now. Until next day.